So before I get to the regular scheduled vlog, I want to give you guys an update of where I've been, because I know it's been a while. I haven't forgot about you guys, but what happened was I blew the motor in my Jeep, so been set back a little bit, but that's all right. You know, those things happen, and the more important thing is I'm here now. On the loss scale of 1 to 10, me and that gentleman, we're a solid 6 right now. You know what they say though, it's not an adventure until something goes wrong, right? So I think I was on the right track in the first place. Asked some nice gentlemen back there, and they said just keep following, get up, and pray for the best. But you know what they say, you gotta risk it to get the biscuit. So let's hope this works out. Round 2, let's go. So that road that it's taking me on is a rough road, and I have very little faith in my Jeep. That's why it's right there. It tells me it is 3 miles up this road. Decided I'm gonna hike it the best I can. And I wish I could tell you why, but I have no idea why. I feel like this is a good idea, and I'm not prepared for this, but I will see what happens. So let's hope for the best, and let's hope it's worth it too, because if it wasn't, I mean, this would suck. So I wish I could be checking in with good news and success, but this isn't it. Fortunately, probably not gonna make the destination this trip, but no, it sucks, and I feel a sense of defeat for sure. But you know, it's part of traveling. It happens, and you just got to come back another time and hope the conditions better, and that's what I plan on doing. So to the next one we go. Good evening, travel buddies. Today I've got a treat for you guys, because today I am exploring Colorado. Never been, really, kind of have, but not in Denver, which is where the focus is today. And I figured the best way to start it would be a botanical garden. If you guys have never been to a botanical garden, I would suggest it. Pretty cool, and it's just something about them that seems pretty therapeutic. So if you ever get a chance to go to one, then I would highly recommend you guys take it. So I'm not going to be much in the shots because I didn't want to ruin them, but I hope you guys enjoy, and let's go.